As America celebrates 250 years, Winnebago has had the privilege to be part of that journey for nearly 7 decades, helping people discover what makes this country extraordinary. From mountain passes at sunrise to quiet lakes that hold the last light of day. From small-town main streets to places with no name at all. The greatest stories aren't found on a map. They're made in the moments between destinations, with the people you care about beside you. Every day, those moments begin with the hands, hearts, and craftsmanship of Winnebago employees. People who take pride in building more than RVs, but the possibilities that follow. Here's to 250 years of exploration, innovation, and the freedom to choose your own path. Happy Independence Day from Winnebago.